Hey there, my name is Kim, and today we're diving into the exciting world of R-Link's button bar widgets. Get ready to turn your meetings from snooze fests to interactive extravaganzas. Imagine every meeting turning into a mini showcase for your best links and products. No more lost URLs and a messy chat. Meet the R-Link button bar. This smart feature lets you display up to 5 clickable buttons at the top or bottom of your room. It's like handing your audience a VIP pass that takes them directly where you want them to go. The button bar is all about driving traffic. It puts your key links, whether it's your homepage, a blog post, or your social media profiles, right at the forefront. And you get to customize the colors and text to match your brand, making those links impossible to miss. Why does that matter? In a fast paced digital world, every click counts. With one tap, your audience can jump straight to your latest campaign, sign up for your newsletter, or join your online community. It's perfect for networking, sales, coaching, or education, anytime you want to direct traffic without the clutter. Picture this. For networking, your clickable buttons can link to your LinkedIn profile or invite attendees to join your Facebook group right within your meeting. Or for sales, they can take people to a special landing page where your latest offers await. Or for coaching or education, the buttons can drive traffic to sign up forms, resource pages, or exclusive content. Let's jump right in. First, let's open that widget sidebar. Find the widget icon in your meeting controls toolbar in the upper right-hand corner and give it a click. It's like opening Pandora's box, but instead of chaos, you get some pretty cool features. Time for some organization magic. If you already have a folder set up, you can simply open that folder and add your button bar widget to it. If you don't have a folder already set up, simply click Add Folder and give it a snazzy name. Keep it under 25 characters. We're aiming for catchy, not a mouthful. Button bars can be displayed at the top or bottom of your meeting room. It's like deciding between a halo or a mustache for your meeting screen. Simply click on the display style you prefer. The first step in customizing or branding your button bar is the background color for your bar. Make it complement your meeting theme, not clash like socks with sandals. Click on the gray button and a color customization box will appear that allows you to choose your button background color simply by sliding the button around and clicking on your color of choice. Or you can use custom hex codes. For example, if you have your own branded color scheme, you can totally brand your button bar with your brand. Next up, let's caption your button. This is the text that appears on your button. Give it a name that pops. You only have 50 characters to make it snappy and irresistibly clickable. You want to name it something that will be self-explanatory for your viewers. Now for the fun part. Click on the color button to choose your preferred button color. It's like picking M&M colors, but for your button. And as I explained earlier, you can choose your color or use custom hex codes to select your button color. The next step is to pick the color of the text on your button. Click the button to open up the color customization box. And you can choose your preferred color using the slider or use a custom hex code to set your text color. The next step is to drop in the target website. This is where your button will take your participants when they click. The possibilities are endless. Remember, you can add up to 5 buttons. It's like having a remote control for your meeting. All you have to do is rinse and repeat the steps we already went over. Don't forget to hit that Save Widget button. Congratulations, you've just created a button bar that would make even the most seasoned UX designers jealous. Need to hide your widget? There's a button for that. Click that big red Hide button to make your widget disappear from the screen. Want to tweak some settings? Select the button you want to adjust and click the drop-down arrow on the right side of the button. It will give you the option to rename, delete, go into your settings, or copy your widget to another folder. If you want to edit your widget, simply select Settings and adjust as desired. And there you have it, folks. You're now a certified button bar wizard in the R-Link universe. You're ready to transform your online engagement by driving traffic straight from your meetings to your key destinations with strategically placed button bars. Thanks for tuning in. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Now go make some button magic.